Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This 1500 is in the brilliant black color, and it's kind of like a metallic black. It looks really nice. You do got the chrome accenting on the front here, as well as on the bumper down there. And you do have halogen quad headlamps right down here, and they are incredibly bright as well. It does come on a pair of 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Still lots of tread left on those, so they will be lasting you a while. You also have heated exterior mirrors here, and they are in the matte black as well. They look awesome. You do got the running boards along the bottom here to help you up into the vehicle. Helps especially if you're a little bit shorter like me. We got the 5-foot box back here, and you can see now it's a little bit of that sparkle in there. It looks really nice. You got the 4x4 logo over there. Now, the box is in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks awesome. You'll be able to haul a lot of stuff back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button right up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Plus you do got the handle right up there. A little bit of storage or a handle right here, plus some more down here. Then over here we do have our controls over our lights. So we got our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beam, sorry. Then we have our in-cabin light control, and then we also have our windshield wipers, as well as our turning signal and our high beam right there. This guy down here does lean the seat back as well. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Okay, we got our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. In the center there, we do have what temperature it is, plus our speedometer and how many kilometers it has. Only 28,000, that is not a lot at all. Now you can do your speedometer or your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy here, your trip A and B, as well as your messages, your screen setup, and your settings, and as well as you can turn the menu off if it is too bright for you. You got all of that right there. It's all controlled from the steering wheel here, and then you have your horn in the middle and your cruise control options right there. This guy right over here is the controls over your gears, so you just put your foot on the brake and twist that and it changes the gear. This guy here is your radio, so you got FM and AM and Sirius XM, and it does come with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase a vehicle. You got your media tab here as well, plus your presets down there, your info and your ABC. You have your volume up and down and your off button. Then you have your skip, your pause, and your skip forward, your audio settings, your menu, and your back. Plus you do have your browser right there. Right down here we do have our hazard lights, plus we do have the climate control, so we have the power here, plus the circulation. You have the heat and the AC, and then you also have right here where it's going to blow out of, plus the defrost. You have your traction control here and your tow and haul mode, and then you do have a 12-volt plug in there, and another one right over there, and then you do have a little bit of storage right there. You can put something in there. You do have 3 cup holders, as well as you can get in here, and you do have a couple coin holders, and then you do have a USB and aux cord and another 12-volt plug-in right over there. You can close that guy up and lift it up, and then you got another seat under here, and then you do have the 2 glove boxes, so you got one up top and the one underneath, and your owner's manual will be in there as well. Okay, let's jump in the back here. So we do have on the door here control over the windows. You have the handle there, a little bit of storage here, a little bit more down here, and there's also a lot of room back here. It is very soft as well, very premium feel, same as the front, and you can lift this guy up if you did want, and you do have some storage underneath here. Plus you do got your cup holders right under there and some vents for them over there to warm their little toesies, and you got some storage under here if you did want. There's an identical one on the other side as well. And we do have our 3.6-liter V6 engine under here, and it also comes with an engine block heater. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.